for me, it's always easier to figure out cosine law. If not cosine law, then I know it's sine law, right? Because for cosine law, you have either the two sides and the contained angle or the three sides. So it's easier to identify that first. And if not these two cases, then I know for sure it's sine law, right? But let's look at that. So if I have conditions of using sine law, I need to have two angles. This is angles, but it's not letting me write that properly. Two angles and one, and any side, right? Any one side. And in this case, I'll be looking for the third side, or second side, sorry. In this case, the formula would be, since I'm looking for a side, A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. Okay? The other condition is if I have two sides and an opposite angle. And in this case, I'll be looking for an angle and the formula switches.
This is easy now. I can finally understand.
Yeah, because I don't need to understand.
Okay? The condition for using cosine law?
Contained angle.
Perfect. And I'll be looking for a side.
Side A.
So let's say I'm looking for side A.
A squared equal to B squared plus C squared
Yeah.
minus 2BC. And
Cosine
then
A.
cosine A.
Perfect. And the other option is if I have all three sides. And I'll be looking for the angle, doesn't matter, again, the formula is close. Let's say I'm looking for angle A. It's going to be B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Be careful when what the question is asking you. The question is asking you to solve the triangle. That means you're looking for all angles and sides that are missing. Okay? So be careful what the question is asking you. Sometimes the question asks you for something specific. Sometimes it tells you to solve everything. So, ask me to determine each angle in triangle ABC. So I need to find all three angles.
So you're going to use cosine.
I have to use cosine law first because
You have all sides.
all three sides. So which angle do you want to find first?
A.
A. Okay, let's look for angle A first. So let's name the sides. Side A, side B, side C. If I'm looking for angle A, so that's going to be cosine A equals to A squared plus B squared. Sorry, no, B squared plus C squared. Just daydreaming right now. Minus A squared over 2BC. E is 5.2 squared plus 5.6 squared minus 3.5 squared over 2 I'm looking for an angle A that's to the nearest degree. What do you guys have?
38 degrees.
38?
8 degrees. Yeah. That's what you got?
Is that what we got?
Doing it separately.
I don't have a calculator, so I'm gonna count on you guys. So,
Wait, did you guys get 46.15 over 58.24?
Yeah. And then divide it. Then inverse it.
so now I know angle A. What other angle, which angle do you want to find next? Or do you want me to give you more time to calculate this?
Wait, give me 1 second. I did it the wrong way. Is it 38 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so much fun. That's so great.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 times. Okay, now we're gonna do cos inverse. So you're gonna do second cos. Got it? All right. Now, what would you want to do to find another angle? So let's say we're gonna find angle B next. What do I want to do? What do you do? So if you want to find angle B,
Can you just keep doing the cosine law?
you can keep doing the cosine law,
Can you
You
do
would
this?
switch out.
or you can do the sine law. Yeah. So you can do the cosine law using a different formula, right? Where your minus is gonna be minus b squared, right? Or you can use the sine law. Doesn't matter which one I use. No.
The sine law?
Sine law is faster. We can do the sine law. So let's do the sine law just to make it a little, different. So if I'm looking for angle B, I know A, right? So that means I'm looking for sine A over A equal to sine B over B. Okay? So sine 38 over 3.5 equals to sine B over 5.2. You can half cross multiply by multiplying the 5.2 by the sine 38 and then dividing by 3.5, and that gives you sine B. What do you need to do to find the angle? Inverse. So tell me what you guys got. 65 degrees?
66.
So which one is it? Show me. I'm going to use the whole thing, okay? Not the, so 5.2 times sine 38 divided by 3.5 and sine inverse
I got 66. as well.
66.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's by doing the whole, all the answer without rounding, we're getting 66. Did you use sine law or cosine law? And you got 65 with cosine law? Did you round or did you use it as is?
No, I did.
The final angle.
Did
is
you not round?
66
Did you
degrees.
round or no? Okay, put it all together without rounding. Sometimes there's a little bit of difference between sine law and cosine law, which it shouldn't, but there is a little bit of difference. And I'm okay with that if you, like, it won't be, I won't deduct marks if there's that little difference.
It says 64 times 99.
Yeah, it's cosine find someone that might be a little bit of a difference in the angle, again, that's fine. I will follow whatever method you use. It's gonna be a little bit different. Okay? Now, I know two angles. How can I find a third?
Minus from
180.
So, to find angle C, you can simply do 180 minus 38 minus 66. And 76 degrees.
I got 78.
I got 76 degrees.
Wait, maybe I typed it.
180 minus 38 minus 66.
Oh, it is 76, sorry.
Okay, you will get 77. Yeah,
What?
because they have a different. Because if you use a cosine line, it might be a little bit different. And the reason for that is because our 38 degrees is not actually 38 degrees. It was a different answer with decimals. So everything is gonna shift a little bit, right? That's why. And that's totally fine. Any questions about a question like this where you have to find all three different angles? Okay, I'm gonna leave you with this question. So, you are to determine the length of A and the length of B. You have two different triangles. You might have to work with one first and then the second one. You might have, I don't know. Just figure it out. Find both sides A and side B.